license for Mr. Lanier is valid. There was a note in the file that I wrote. Plea to failure to display was the offer at the time he came last time, and the other matters were going to be dismissed. I don't know who was here at that time. Do you have registration and insurance?
I have registration, but I don't have insurance because I don't have a car. Basically, that's operating on the operating on the road. You get what I'm saying?
I understand.
So if I do have a car, it'll be a rental, which is already comes with insurance or whatever, you know.
Do you have a rental?
No.
Okay. So where's Miss Mason?
Yeah, I've got him now, Judge. He's Officer Shabazz is coming out right now.
Oh, 1 second. Miss Mason, I'm here with Christopher Lewis. Track that Christopher Deshaun Lanier. I wrote in the file, plea to a FTD is the offer and dismissing the rest. He has no registration, no proof of insurance, civil infractions, no insurance misdemeanor, expired plate, and driving while license suspended. He has a valid license now, and he's also got an 11 to 15 over the speed limit.
On the 11 to 15, can we do a 1 to 5? I'm
just going to do the 1 to 5 because I already told him that he was just going to be a failure to display.
That's what I was saying. Yeah, that's what I'd agree, Judge.
That's a new case, Mr. Lanier, from the last time that you came here.
You say it's a new case?
Yeah, that speeding 11 to 15, you didn't have that the last time you were here.
Yes, and I had caught that last week. I was not speeding at all. I just got my license back. Why would I be speeding in the area where I live and when I know the speed limit is 35 miles per hour? I think I was racially profiled because I was really going the same speed as everybody else on Gratiot to go downtown.
All right. Now is that your defense?
My defense is I was going the same rate as everybody else on Gratiot.
Okay, so if that's your defense, if everybody else was going 11 to 15 over, which most people do up Gratiot, then what do you have to say about that?
I wasn't going over no speed limit. I was going the right speed limit. I think I was like Rudolph the Red-Nosed when this officer just flicked me over in this nice car. It's like I stick out like not to be, you know what I'm saying, like over exaggerating. When I drive, I be driving like nice cars and I stick out like a sore thumb for some reason. And it's just like, it's a red flag on me. Like I told this officer, I just got my license restored back to me. And you know I wasn't going over the speed. He talked about he'll see me in court or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like he ain't even like just slow it down. But if I was a female, it would have been just slow it down type of thing. And I wasn't even speeding like at all. I was literally probably going 39 miles per hour on 35 on Gratiot.
Oh man!
I mean, I understand.
So you just admitted speed. So you just admitted to speeding then?
35, 4 miles per hour. I mean, over 4 miles. That's speeding.
Yeah, it is.
Well, I mean, but 50, 58, whatever you're saying, that's a lie. That's not true. That's not accurate. I mean, I'm not gonna lie about something that I know that, you know what I'm saying, I say 39 miles per hour, but like I said, I was going the same rate as everybody else.
But you're telling me, Mr. Lanier, because you don't even know how fast you were going. You really spoke the truth, I think, when you said you were going the same speed as everybody else on Gratiot. And you continue to say that. And I go up Gratiot almost every single solitary day. And everybody is going faster than 5 miles an hour over the speed limit.
Well, this was the weekend, so I was going over the speed limit like that. So
the weekend, it makes it, I'm not even gonna keep on going back and forth with you, because everybody wants to get out of here. You want a formal hearing on that, or you wanna come back and make that claim? And let, when the officer's here, or what?
yeah, I want to come back and make that claim with officers.
I think you better come better than that, though.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie to the court about something that I know.
No, I
you know what I'm saying?
I don't think you're lying, but I just don't think you understand what you're really saying. You just admitted to the court that you were speeding, and then you reduced it to like, oh, it's only 4 miles an hour over, and then you're saying another thing, or you're just going with everybody else on the speed. So you really need to let your lawyer speak for you when you come in next time.
I mean, the case is the charge, the speed ticket is self-explanatory. I really don't even need a lawyer to do that. I've been paying on speeding tickets. I've been paying $3,000 almost.
Mr. Lanier, I know you don't need an attorney, but I wouldn't say too much more.
No, he thinks he doesn't need an attorney. That's where he thinks he doesn't need an attorney, but he needs an attorney.
You think so? Okay, you're right, sir. I just like just didn't understand like why I was the only one getting pulled over if I wasn't really like driving fast. Like I just don't understand. Like,
hey, I don't know. Maybe it was because you stuck out like a sore thumb. Maybe it was because you drive a nice car. Maybe it was because you're black. But when you come in here and admit that you're speeding, then what else am I supposed to do? Then what you need to do is you need to slow down and do exactly the speed limit. And forget what everybody else is doing on the road. And then if you get pulled over and you say, Judge, I was going 35, I know it, and I wasn't speeding that 1 mile an hour because I stick out like a sore thumb because of these nice cars I'm driving. Then you can try to make those other claims. But when you're speeding, it kind of throws water on those other claims.
I understand.
Dismiss SB 1529907 counts 1, 2, and 3. Based on what we told them last time, I'm going to dismiss SP 1398582. And I'm going to set a formal hearing for SP 158692221. That's going to be on the 9th of September, 2024 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, Mr. Lanier, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
You too as well.
Thank you.